Thinking about getting a HeatStream Pro heater? You've probably seen those ads with wild promises, breakthrough efficiency, slashing your heating bill, or heats up your entire home in minutes. But is it true, or is it just another online gimmick? Let me break it down for you. First up, yes, the HeatStream Pro is a real physical product. Real people have bought it, plugged it in, and used it. And the consensus? It works well for small, enclosed spaces. Think your home office, a cozy bedroom, or a reading nook. Users love the plug-and-play design, quiet operation, and the fact that it's super easy to move around. No bulky cords or floor space needed. But let's talk about those energy claims. Here's a secret. All electric resistance heaters are basically 100% efficient at turning electricity into heat. There's no magic. The efficiency hype really just means you're heating a smaller targeted area, rather than the whole house. So, yes, your bills might drop, but only because you're using less energy overall. Now, the catch. If you're hoping to heat a big open-plan living room, prepare to be disappointed. Most complaints come from people expecting way more heat than this compact device can deliver. Also, some folks say the plastic build feels a bit flimsy compared to old-school metal heaters, but safety features like auto shutoff are built in. And about those scam rumors, it's mostly about over-the-top marketing, not the product itself. Experts and regulators have called out these ads for exaggerating performance. So, if you buy, stick to the official website to avoid knockoffs. Bottom line, HeatStream Pro Heater is legit for small spaces. Just don't expect it to break the laws of physics. Manage your expectations, and it might be exactly what you need for a little personal comfort.